Natalie Solis with the moment in time, and this week we're featuring one of Trenton's more controversial buildings. As historians and city officials debate its future, collectors around the globe celebrate the dolls this factory once produced in its heyday. This is the Horsman Doll factory today, an abandoned building void of the whirling machines that once manufactured some of the industry's most coveted dolls. The Horsman doll makers made their home in Trenton back in 1931, in this factory on Grand Street. What began as a family-owned toy business back in 19th century New York City turned into one of the premier doll manufacturing companies. The Horsman family employed people like Helen Fox Trowbridge. Seen here with her family, she was a well-known sculptor of her time and designed irresistible doll faces and later designed doll clothes. Bernard Lipfertz, also a sculptor, came up with Can't Break 'em doll heads, a long-awaited innovation from the old German bisque doll heads. By the 1950s, the factory would make nearly 12,000 dolls per day in the busy pre-holiday months of August and September. 800 workers were employed in the Trenton factory. 35 women painted faces, 60 to 70 were wig makers, using saran or a plastic filament like nylon. Another 250 to 300 sewed, and men used electric knives to cut fabric for doll clothes. But in their efforts to make what they called the people's doll, a fine doll at a moderate price, the Horsman factory fell to different owners to stay afloat, and in the mid-1980s closed its door to the South Carolina factory, where it eventually moved when things became too expensive in Trenton. While today the building sits abandoned, it was the thing a child's dreams are made of. Dolls, dolls, and more dolls.